In today's video, I'm going to explain to you how to get better at playing Apex Legends. With these tips, you will be put in the best position possible to win fights and become Apex champion. Use our clickable sections below to keep track of what step you're on during this tutorial. Making conscious decisions like knowing the best place to land when jumping out of the dropship, when to jump into gunfights, and when to disengage are all things that should always be considered. When landing, you'll want to think about landing places where other teams are not. When jumping into gunfights, you have to consciously weigh the importance of the fight and your probability of winning the match. If you find yourself fighting a fight that isn't going your way, then disengaging should be your first thought. To learn more about how to play Apex Legends, check out our link in the description below. You have to know when to take fights and understand when you have an advantage. Knowing you have better weapons, better armor, or if you catch an enemy split from their teammates can all be advantages to you and your team. Better positioning, such as having higher ground or more cover compared to the enemy teams, can also be an advantage that should be considered. If you find yourself at a significant advantage, then it may be worth engaging in a gunfight. Team coordination is the key to success in Apex. How you approach this all depends on if you are playing with friends or random players via solo queue. With friends, it would be ideal to discuss every choice from going to loot a certain area or when to take shots at the enemy. Oh, behind us! Oh, I'm weak, bro. I gotta heal. It's a whole new team pulling up, I think. Make sure you encourage teammates to do the same thing. When playing with random players, they may not be using a mic. In this case, taking advantage of the robust ping system will be in your best interest. On the other side, make choices based off of teammate callouts or pings as well. This will allow you to make proper, premeditated choices. Aim is the primary staple in Apex Legends, as it is for any first-person shooter. On top of this, every single weapon in the game has a unique recoil pattern that will need to be counterbalanced with either your mouse or right analog stick. To figure out these patterns, go to the training range, shoot every single weapon without attachments and without counterbalancing. Then, learn the pattern and begin trying to mirror it. For example, if the recoil of a gun kicks up and left, then pull down and right on the analog stick or mouse when shooting that gun. Once mastering this, begin adding in a strafe pattern left and right. This will only make recoil control easier and allow you to land more shots on the opposition.